The O-range. Smart smoke control that works with you, not against you. Smart, secure, verified. The panel comes pre-configured for a single stairwell straight out the box, but it doesn't stop there. The O-range smoke control panel supports from 1 to 60 zones on a single network, giving you flexibility across almost any project. And if you need to reconfigure any zone, this can be done by the onboard wizard. No dip switches, it can be changed by a third party. Our smart firefighter switch only becomes live when smoke is detected by the fire alarm or an attached detector. That means no false activations and no one accidentally triggering the system. No system getting locked out before a smoke event starts. And more than that, the O-range stops third parties from tampering. They can't open roof vents or windows, leaving the system exposed. The O-range protects the system, your client's budget, and your time. To commission, recommission, or service the system, you only need to complete a one-time, two-step verification process. Your name, email, and phone number are recorded on your free O-range software. And then you are a verified user, you can make any changes to the O-range system. Every change is recorded and saved to provide full traceability that supports compliance, inspections, and the golden thread. You have clear proof of how you left the system when disconnected. O-range from VentTrade. Smart, secure, verified.